Expanding and simplifying. This makes use of collecting like terms, which was covered in Year 7. But we've got an example here to help us remember how to do this. So if we look at part A, I've got 2a plus 3b plus 4a plus 7b. That means I have two different types of object. I have a's. When we circle them with the sign in front. And I have b's. I can collect a's together and I can collect b's together. So this is a positive 2a because it doesn't have a sign in front of it. So I have 2a, add 4a. That gives me 6a. Then with the b's, I have a positive 3b, add 7b, and that means I have 10b's. We can't put the a's and b's together when we're adding and subtracting. We've seen in earlier examples that we can put these together by multiplying, but we can't do so by adding. They're different things, and therefore 6a plus 10b is the simplest form. Now let's do the same with the next example. I have some a's and I have some b's. I've also got just simply numbers. So I have three different types of objects here. Now the only ones that are actually like are the a's. So I can put those together. I've got 5a, take away 4a. Well, if you have 5 of something and you take away 4 of them, you're just left with one of them. So that's just a single a. Remember, we write a and not 1a. The b's, well, there's only one of those. So there's no simplification possible. And I just have 9b. And the numbers, there's no simplification possible there because I've just got the negative 7. And so it just carries on as it is. In part C, I've got some x's and I have some y's, which I need to do in a different colour. So we'll do that. Now I can collect up the x's. I've got 5 x's to start with, and then I take away 3 of them, so I now have 2 x's. Now here I've got 7y, and I've got to take away 9y. Think about 7 take away 9 is negative 2, so that's going to be minus 2y. Now finally here, I have got some p's. I have got some q's. And I've also got some numbers. (3p) take away p is 2p. I've got a negative q, add 2q, and I could think about that as the positive 2q take away the q. So that just gives me 1q. And then I've got a positive 5 take away 9. So if I do 5 take away 9, that is negative 4.